What's going on, everybody? Russell here, aka MedicMagic, and we are going to be doing a unboxing today of something very, very special. Something I've been waiting for to get here for the past week and a half, I think, something like that. You know, I've become very spoiled by Amazon and Amazon Prime, and if anything takes longer than 2 days to get to my house, I'm like, where the heck is it at? Did I even order it? Let's get to it. So this, if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys will know what this is, and probably from the title of this video, you're gonna know what this is anyways, so let's just get to it. I ordered this off eBay, probably like I said, like a week and a half ago. It actually shipped out the same day I ordered it. I got a really good deal because you can do buy it now or best offer, which I always hit them with a best offer. eBay name, whatever, is called Real Street, which I've said this before and I'll keep on saying it, free stickers are where it's at. This might even end up on the S2000, so thank you Real Street if you guys are watching. These are some pretty cool stickers. One of these is gonna go on my computer and then maybe one on the car, and let's get to it. Oh man, whew. Oh wow, this thing's heavy. Whew. Here she is. Precision Turbo. Now it says champions and record holders from 1987 to 2017 on top. Let's see, is Russell's name on here? MedicMagic. Okay, anyways, let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Got a nice little picture of all the people that made this Turbski, I guess. Your success starts here. Alright. Now we went with a 58 Precision Turbo. And it's a V-band picture. It's not a ball bearing. Oh, it's just a journal bearing. I think things are still gonna go pretty well. So, nice little box here. A bunch of other crap inside. This thing looks like it's wrapped up pretty nicely. It's probably gonna be like, hopefully not too oily or anything like that. But let's get into it. I was really hoping they'd send me like a t-shirt or something. You know, I always like free t-shirts. I'm gonna try and open this without tearing this bag. Oh man. Woo. Oh. Holy smokes. Oh shit. Oh my god. Wow. Initial thoughts on the Turbski is this thing is gorgeous. Oh man. Yeah, hopefully you guys just caught that big smell. Wow, this thing is like really heavy. It says like 22, 23 pounds. Oh, there's something inside there. But this is what's gonna be making the S2000 a beast. And it's gonna be making, we're gonna be shooting for around 450 wheel horsepower. I mean, I've heard that you can get about 600 out of these with the stock block and whatnot. But we don't wanna get too crazy and start breaking stuff. We have a good season. Just be doing a lot of stuff, going to a lot of car shows. Whenever you pop your hood and you got one of these big old Turbskis sitting there, people are gonna know you're not freaking around. So anyways guys, that was just a real fast unboxing just to let you guys know what you get whenever you order a Precision Turbo. There's gonna be more coming. We are getting the flange and the piping ready to go to make the header. That's gonna be the hardest part, the crappiest part. After that, we just need to get all the other little parts and pieces, but we are gonna be rocking and rolling. Hopefully everything's gonna be together by April 12th, which is the first Pittsburgh car scene car meet. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and we'll see you next time. Peace.